Hi there, this is Matt at Mototechniks. Just going to show you around our 2020 Yamaha MT-10 SP. So this is first registered April 2020, this particular bike. It's one owner from new, just under 4,400 miles. First service has been carried out by Yamaha. The next scheduled service will be carried out as part of our sales prep. Low mileage, very nice condition. I'll just show you around it here. It's got a Motografix sticker kit fitted across the tank and the side panels. Pretty much a standard bike. Other than that, as with all our used bikes, fully HPI clear. This particular one, we've got all three keys, the original owner's manual, service book, etc. So you've got the usual SP refinements of the O-lins. You've got the quick shifter, getting all nice and tidy down this side. Does also have Datatag. So you've got your clear lacquered swing arm on the SP as well. Focus. So there's your mileage there. Colour TFT on the SP. Adjustments for mode, suspension, power modes, etc.